So did you guys have any questions on the assignment?
Nothing that I can remember saying, oh, I really have no clue how that goes.
Okay. Yeah, I don't really have any questions. The only thing that I didn't know was like, how do we make the ball graph? Like where, because it said put a graph here, but in our Excel spreadsheet, it doesn't give one.
I think you would have to manually do it based on the information from the inference procedures Excel spreadsheet that we get.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So where do you make the graph?
Well, you would just I mean, to me, what I would do is I would make a XY chart and just plot the means for all of them on that plot.
Okay.
Or data for all of the different sets. Because I think that's what they're looking for, is the data for all the different sets.
Yeah, but it was also asking for a graph, like a ball graph, the the Q chart, QQ plot.
I mean, if you really, you could go back to the first one sample t-test. Didn't that have a graph on it?
It had a histogram, but not a Q plot. Oh well, I don't think we need it, just because I know it gives one in SPSS, but it doesn't in Excel. So
no. And I don't have access to the SPSS information. I don't know if they've just gotten rid of it or what, but all I've ever used is the Excel.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's start. Wait, so is Cameron here or?
Haven't heard him.
Okay. Well, yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
So 3 is obviously true.
Yeah.
So the data in each group are normally distributed. I think that's the only one. What do you think?
Aren't the sample means going to be all positive? And I thought the data in each group was going to be right skewed.
No, I was pretty sure that the data itself was, wait, let me think. Because I remember him saying that something was normally distributed, but the data is not normally distributed, so you're right. So sample means are going to be all positive, I believe. What about the variances?
Going back through, give me 1 second. I thought they would be similar, but not necessarily equal. because our nulls say equal, but that doesn't mean that populations have same variances. That's one of the requirements.
Okay, so they will be equal.
Yeah.
Okay.
So A and C?
Yes.
Okay.
It would be A for number 5.
I've got B for number 6.
Yep.
And I've got 6 for number 7.
Yes. Okay, so I have 27.208.
Yeah, I have the same for number 8.
Mm-hmm. And then 53.158.
Yep. I opened up the other worksheet. Give me a second so I can get the QQ plots done. Oh no, it's just. There's the Q tab. Whoa, it's kind of all over the board.
So 10 would be true.
Okay.
See, number 11 says construct a QQ plot, but how do we do that?
Well, that's what I was just working on doing. If you go and open the descriptive statistics worksheet that we had, there's the histogram tab at the bottom, then there's the QQ plots tab next to it. And then you have to put in each field of data and then put them in numerical order.
Okay.
I was just working on that.
So you'd put the variances in?
You'd put the data from each set. So you're going to have to do it 6 times.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And you can just sort them from smallest to largest. There's the sort and filter button that should change it all for you. Which one are you working on? I just did one and it's fine.
Give me just a minute.
I'll do 1, 2, and 3. You want to do 4, 5, and 6?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think I understand.
Okay.
What do you mean sort? Like, how do I sort it?
Okay, so do you have a sort and filter tab? Which version of Excel do you have? You have 2010?
Yes. I don't know.
On your home screen, at the top, you've got your paste button and your font layouts and so on and so forth. If you look all the way to the right, there should be an AZ that says sort and filter.
Okay.
Click on that and it should say sort from smallest to largest.
Okay, there we go. Okay, cool.
And then it'll change it all for you. That way you don't have to do it.
Yes, I can do 1 through 3. I'll do 4, 5, 6.
Okay. One fits.
One is what?
One fits the QQ plot.
Okay, cool. Was that something you knew before the class, or was that something that you
for the Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah.
I've used Excel at work for a number of years, so that I knew too. I with different reports. Yeah. That I've had to use over the years.
Well, yeah, because like I was thinking, I'm like, I don't remember using this.
Two fits. It's close enough.
4 is good. Whoa.
3/5.
Yeah, five's good enough. And then 6. Yeah, I think we're good. So true.
Okay.
All right, so 12. So the p-value changes to 0.3.
0.9.
Yeah, 0.309.
And then I've got right for the next one.
Isn't it always to the right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for number 14, if you want, you can do the QQ plots and I'll punch it into ANOVA so we could both
Okay.
do it that way.
Get that done. Yeah. So I'll do beef and I'll do the calories first, and then I'll do the sodium for each of the. First one's good. Second one's good.
Yeah, so they're all going to be, as far as the ANOVA, we're golden.
Okay. Third one's good.
Okay, so A.
Now, that was just for the calories.
Yes.
That wasn't the sodium.
That was just the calories, yeah.
So A, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and
Um,
mean number of calories is the same for all three types. Okay, so what does the mean for each of the three types, I guess?
so the mean
For
156, 158, and 118. I mean, they have decimals, but
okay, so essentially they're all the same. I mean, they meet the. All right, so for
I think it's D as in dog.
yeah,
All right, now we're doing the sodium levels.
okay. First one's good. Second one's good.
So the assumptions have not been met.
They have not.
Well, it says that you should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem.
Well, I just finished poultry, and it goes. It kind of does two. Yeah, I mean,
It is a little
skewed. I mean, it's not. It like goes up, and then it goes way below, and then up again.
okay. So that one is not gonna. So the assumptions have not been met.
Okay.
And it's not B. Okay, it's gonna be C. Yeah, C.
Okay.
Despite the possible problem, he decides to use Xenova. Oh, here, let me punch him in real quick.
Sure.
Okay, so we're looking for the p-value.
Yes, for this question, the p-value.
0.179.
0.179. Okay.
So we're going to wait.
What conclusions can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Use a level of significance of 0.05.
I think it's B, as in boy.
Okay.
All right. We missed some. No, I'll be right back.
Yep.
Oh, question 4. We got a thought.
One of
So I don't think the sample means all have to be positive, because what if you're doing a data set on a whole bunch of negative things?
Oh, I read that wrong. It says values of F are never negative, not the means. Okay.
So it just
Ed?
Okay, and 5.
QQ plot for each group.
How did I get that one wrong? Like, I knew that one. Okay. Cool.
Otherwise, we got the rest of them.
Yeah, I'm just writing them down so I don't have to redo.
Right. All the calculations.
Yeah. How do you feel about the test?
I think I'm going to be okay. I don't know. It's over the whole over everything that we've learned thus far. So it's going to be interesting to see how much of it's focused on the more recent stuff or if it's all just
Oh, so it's gonna
scattered amongst.
include a lot of stuff from the false chapter too.
Yeah, in the summary for the class this week, he says it's comprehensive from lessons 2 through 14 or 15. Maybe go back to that. Yeah.
Good news is a good way to study. Couldn't we just go look back at the old test?
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and review all the group tests and the last test and just kind of make notes. He says you can use the Excel spreadsheets, the descriptive and inference procedures, plus the applet, and have 1 page of notes. So at least that part is, and he says, make sure you are very familiar with the requirements for each hypothesis test. He put that in bold.
What we so that's for that's in week 8's announcement.
Yeah, that's this week's announcement.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't looked at the announcement for it yet.
And we've got a hypothesis test versus a confidence interval thing that he put on there too. So you might want to review that.
Okay.
Plus the attachment that he sent in his email. Did you get that one?
Which one?
The PDF with regard to sigma known, sigma unknown, the requirements, and then all of the stuff from the 2 samples, paired and independent samples, and their requirements.
In the email?
Yeah.
Or was it?
Oh gosh. Hold on, let me pull it up. I've got it here.
Yeah, 'cause I have my email up right now and I'm looking.
He sent that on the 23rd, Friday.
Oh, yeah, I have it.
Okay. So I'd say between that and the tests and everything else, just make a page of notes from all that. And then, with examples or anything that you need, and then you should be set to go.
Yeah.
So.
Wait, so for number 4, are we sure it's just C?
No, just kidding. Hold on, let me.
The data does have to be normally distributed, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's B and C.
B and C. Okay. Well, it's exciting that we got all the numbers right.
Okay, got 100.
Woohoo! Sounds good.
Sweet. Okay.
All right.
The only thing about this class is like we've been doing really well on the quizzes and everything.
Yeah.
But like, just because of the test. Like right now I'm at a 94% in the class, and it's like making me nervous because I need to get an A.
Yeah. You'll get it. You'll get it. I think you've got a good enough handle on it that you'll just take time, read your questions. I mean, we've got 4 hours to take the test, so read through your questions thoroughly, and I think you'll be fine.
Right. Is it going to be longer than the last test, do you think?
That's a great question. I really have no idea. I would guess that it might be at least as long if we're covering everything.
Yeah.
I mean, I think what the last test was, how many questions? I don't remember off the top of my head, but I mean, it was pretty lengthy. So I'm guessing it's going to be at least that long.
Yeah. See if I can pull it up. Okay, Unit 1. Oh, doesn't show what we got wrong on it.
Really?
No. Like it doesn't even show the questions.
That's frustrating.
Yeah.
I would like to use that to review.
Yeah. Huh. I wonder if we could like email him and get the test opened up, or if that's like not allowed. I don't know.
It's a great question.
Huh.
I mean, because I'd like to look at what I got wrong, what I got right, figure out where I went wrong.
Yeah. See, it's just ironic because, well, I wouldn't say ironic. It's just sketchy because the weight of the tests, every test has a weight of 60 and every quiz has a weight of 1. So it's like no matter how good you do on the quizzes, if you get like a 90 on the exam, it drops you a whole bunch.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Well, as long as I stay above a 93, that's all I need.
There you go.
All right. Well, I am going to end it.
All right.
Am I supposed to say that Cameron attended, or?
If he wasn't here, I'd say no.
Because I know he texted me and he said that his microphone is not on, and so he's just going to type the answers.
Oh.
But I mean, he's not here anymore, so yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah, I don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, I will go ahead and upload. Oh, wait. I guess there is a chat.
Oh, is there? Okay. If there is a chat, then I guess he was trying.
He just, so at 6:08, he said, "My microphone and camera is not working, so sorry if you can't hear me. I would just type for now until I can use it. I have to go. My computer is about to die." And he said that at 6:08.
I'm going to go with no.
Yeah, I'm going to go with no, too. Okay, well, I will upload this, and I will probably in 2 days. So probably on Thursday will work best because I frankly don't want to do math again tomorrow.
No, me either.
Well, I will probably see you on Thursday then.
Sounds good.